Subscribe to BoostUpStation if you haven't, and today we are going to fix this FileZilla error that comes when we are connecting to any FTP server. And this video fix works for all of the operating systems, like we have Windows, Linux and macOS. I am going to try my FTP credentials for this video. So I have entered these values here in the host, username and the password. And if I click on quick connect, you can see that we are going to get this error, and again it is retrying whether it can be fixed or not. Until authentication it is correct, like username and password, everything is correct. Only fails at this step when it is checking for the certificate. So rather than using this quick connect, what you have to do is click on this little icon, open the site manager, and here you have to enter a new site. Let us rename it Rapid Guitar. Press enter. Now enter the host name. Like, let me show you which details I am using here. So this is the host name I am using, and the username, it is right here, and the password also. Now what you need to change is this encryption type. Make it the last one. Only use plain FTP, insecure one. Click on it. That is what you have to select. No need to give it any port. It will be automatically selected by FileZilla, and nothing to change in advance. In the transfer settings, you have to make it passive. Everything else remains same. And now click on OK from here. Click on Site Manager again. Click on the connection from the left side, and you click on Connect from here. Now you will be able to see that it is retrieving the directory listing. And here we have the FTP server opened up, remote site. Here are the files and folder inside it. There are no files and folders right now, so we can upload whichever files we want, like just drag and drop. Rest things you know. So we have successfully fixed this problem. Now no longer we have such type of problem. So I am telling you again, you should not be using this quick connect from here. You go with the site manager from here and make the encryption to only use plain FTP and click on connect. That's what you have to do every time when you are getting such type of error. Now please subscribe to BoostUpStation, and that's it for now.
Thank you for watching. Now it's time to discover more. Simply click on the screen to subscribe to our channel and watch another video to discover more.